lugar, oh. Ay, ano? Dagat. Ikalit ko labak. Nagdagan ko. Nagdali ko. Ay na punta. Doon ko metro, guys. Mga na-eskwelahan, oh. Eskwelahan na siya. So, uli na po sa mga bata kay ano man kayo mga eskwelahan. Ay, mga school bus. Eskwelahan naman. School bus tulay. So, ato pag metro. See you sa metro, guys. Hindi na po ko diri sa labanganan. Laktod kong labang kay ano di ko iabot. Magpuwa na. Dugay. Muwak. Dugay. Kasi labanganan. Oh, on time siya. Iguin na po. Balik kita sa simbahan ari, guys. So, ato ta sa mga. Ha? And suppose, and po dito, guys. Ang takot. Ang lagot. Parang hililin ba? Hindi na ang makatag. Ano? Hi. Hi. Thank you. Para binibalik. Time na is 6 o'clock time. 6 what will be the guys? daghan pa. Ay 1 minute na lang gaya po, maabot na po ang train. 1 minute na lang po guys. So maabot na po ang train around 1 minute. Ulit na po ta sa trabaho. Okay, panudlay. Ana oh. Nagka ng bigas. Lugar dire. Ari ko. Sulod. hagdan ko siya. Nakandaghan sila sa escalator. Ganta, kumagawan, exercise. Okay. Accept. 64 minutes. Napako 64 minutes. Sa taas guys. What ang Lola? Lola. Makipanood guys. Sura ko Lakaw. Nag-live ko pero way maatong signal. Maunan. Isang oras ra. Ay boy, klaro kay sige ko. Sige ko. Kaho. Oh, paabot na lang ta sa atong terminal. Dito pwede rin sa Athens kaysa ito nga hangipuyan sa una sa first na ako nga employer kaya dito ko maka-di-off wa ko'y pahuway as bintaha dire kay makakita-kita may kanunay ni Inday sa akong pamangkin si Demargo so nindot malingaw ta nibugnaw na ang tempo dire guys lahi sa Cyprus guys kay ngaron nga October pa init pa dito pero diri ug nga nagsugod nya 101 na food 101 na nara ang ko ano klaro ba maklaro-klaro na ang number 171 diri kay mailhan ba o nakay gipaabot nga bus nara ka tan-aw mo kita naman. 7-1 man ang hangkuan. 18 minutes na lang. Abot na. While naghuwat, mag number 4 sa ta. Number 4 sa si Ate Rem. Ayan na. Mailingaw ni Ate Rem. Sige rin video. Remembrance ba? Buhon. Pinata mag-abroad na ate tanawon. Uy, di ara si Ate Rem sa gayon na ito nga year. Natay makita, natay ma-review. Sandot na, lingaw-lingaw. Well, vlog. Naiwan si Binuan nila ba padoong paman. Padoong sa syudad. Dili padoong sa bukid. pero A3 siya. Di mao ang akong bus na sakyan. A3 padong nagtiklay pada padong ibabaw. A3. Bye-bye. Next bus is 171. 12 minutes na lang. 171. Another na be 83, 27 minutes and 47 minutes. 97 para na sa airport. Kapit na ka makasakay kung may sky. Nabutang na to is 10 minutes na lang. Makasakay na ko. Makauli na ko nga to sa akong trabaho. Makauli na ko. Basta guys. So dala-dala na ako ang akong laptop yata. Pinatayip na talaga. So kaya guys, inuang wifi ni Demarco. Dawag ko mag-raise pa sa data kasi sayang uli na jadi magamit kay wifi na dito sa bahay. Trabaho, wifi, strong wifi na dito. Makit na guys, 10 minutes na lang. Nasakay na po. Hapon na po. Ikan po, galas 6. Galas 6 dito ka, hindi more po. Solid tip. Mura sa pumabot dito sa bay. Hapon na. Lapit diri sa likod sa basta. So naanay nagdanga-danga. So 7 minutes mo na bitina. Tindog na takay. Naanay gadanga-danga. Isig mo na na siya. Diyan na guys. Atong pwedeng sakyan. Narita sa likod. Bukas na. Magtap-tap na sa atong sakyan likod. Meron po lang. Ay, direct sa likod.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Wanna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
about myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ada di siya diri lang kita. Ada ha?
And I never thought I would fall in love with someone just like you. Ain't nobody here now, but I hear you calling out. I hear you calling out for love. Ain't nobody here now, but I hear you calling out. I hear you calling out for love.
And I hear you call,
Naguan.
And I hear you call. And I hear you call. And I hear you
it's been a while, but I'm coming
Balhin. Arong pabor.
and I never
Paitaw ka.
I will fall in love with someone just like
Iko
you.
na sa
Ain't nobody here, but I hear you calling out. I hear you calling out for love.
Midari.
Ain't nobody here now, but I hear you calling out. I hear you calling out for love. And I hear you call, call for love.
And I hear you
Fine.
call.
Nalabot lang.
Call for love. And I hear you call.
Call for love.
And I hear you call. Call for love.
Means bukit-bukit. All na ang bukit-bukit. Apa yung mga decoration dito sa Christmas? October na, pero wala pa sila yung mga decoration. Mga restaurant karo, light ra na ila. Light.
And I hear you call,
Doon na po yung parking.
And I hear you call.
call for love.
And I hear you call. And I hear you call.
Nadiha. Ulay, prutas po di ay. Lahat mga wine. Pinatidan mga biskuit. Mga biskuit ang tindahan. Simbahan o. Simbahan gamay. Paliko na po. Kita ko maabot. It's been a while, but I'm coming out of my shell. And I never thought I would fall in love with someone just like you.
Kaya
Nobody
sa
here,
akin
I hear you calling out. I hear you calling out for love.
kaya kay
Ain't nobody here.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love.
happy ka dahil sapatos di ano masural na ba ang iyo You're gonna go what you want. Ginpoy. Bye! Galing kuwan. Apply na ko sa kauanan mo. Kasi yung sa taas guys. Banat na pagpapay sa direct guys. See you! Sarap. Baglay. Ang baglay. Ikan sa sarap na lista. Anda pagli. Very appreciated. Pahomos. Happy ta kung ako to. Hindi na lang. Hindi ma-mention na. Hi! Happy ta kung ako. Grabe mag-invite. Iya to to. Let's go. Vlogs, ang tanan sa mga maminsyon, sinsin lang kay Organins Akirens din mo kami ang baklang dito guys, so thank you so much. Bye guys, love you, tanan sa mga God bless.